Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Alex here with the Inside Scoop. So today, as I told you in my previous video, and I gave you kind of like an overview of the BTMM Sniper, the settings of that EA. Today I'm going to, delve into the strategy tester and just show you like how the EA works live. So if you're not sure or familiar with what the BTMM method is, then this EA is most likely not for you, because I would like you to at least have some understanding of the market beat the market maker method. Okay, because the concepts I'm going to talk about here are really from, that course. So if you're familiar with it, great. If you're not, I guess you could still use the EA, but I would recommend it using it on the setting that I advise. So in terms of this EA, last time I talked about it having an automatic or automated function. But honestly, I think you reap the most benefits from this EA when you manually, you semi-manually, use it, right? Semi-manually meaning that once you spot the direction, right? You spot the direction, you know the way that the trend is going, you can specify whether it should look for M's or whether it should look for W's, right? Buys or sells. So I'll show you the first way, which is fully automated, which is PF Auto, right? Which PF stands for peak formation. So peak formation auto. So this one I'll fine tune the set file for your USD, and I'll provide that set file along with the purchase of this EA. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I'll be releasing more videos of this of me just, showing the EA here. So make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you're notified when I do release a video or an update of this EA. In terms of the set file, for the first 10 people that do purchase this EA from me, I'm gonna include this optimized Euro USD set file. Okay, so that's the deal that I'll make there for the first 10 people that hit me up on Telegram and purchase the EA. All right, so let me go ahead and load that your USD set file, click OK. And first I'll just run it just to the end, and then so I can, show you the result of that. And then afterwards, I'll slow it down so you can see exactly what's going on. So let's just run it now. So it's running through, and it's actually taking trades based on away from peaks, so AFP. So it's taking trades based on that. So once it detects that there is a trend and that the trend has reversed or changed directions, then it takes a trade in that direction. So for example, if the trend was going up and it reversed, so it dropped one times ADR away from the peak, then it would be looking for M's, and the other way around, it'd be looking for W's for buys. Okay. Okay, so that's done. If I go to the report, well, first I'll go to the graph. You can see bounced down up and down a little bit, and then it just took off and made profit. So if I go to the report, you can see that the total net profit. Oh, and sorry, the data range is from. So I ran it from January 1st of 2021 to 2022 March, and the report you can see 170 net profit. Um, and gross profit is 252. But because like you're gonna probably want to be using this on more than one pair, then there's more opportunities to trade, right? So then there's more opportunities to make profits because you're using on more than one pair. For me, I'm just using it in this report or this EA run in the strategy tester. I'm just doing it with one pair here. So yeah, so that's the profit for that. Drawdown was about 16%. And then consecutive losses, okay, two. Yeah. But anyway, pretty much I think all we care about is the profit on that. So 170 was a profit on that. So I'll run it slower here, and so I can show you exactly what it's doing. So let me slow this down, and I'll start. Okay, so let me pause it. Let me toss up the template here. And let's run it. Okay, so you can see already if I just minimize just to explain here. So pretty much it's going by ADR. So it's measuring the distance from the peak low to the peak high. And then once it drops 1 times ADR, that sets up the perfect trading condition for away from peak. So then it's looking for, the M. So, well, in this case, the M is looking for a sell, right? And then afterwards I'll explain like the manual way, or sorry, the semi-manual way. But right now I'm just explaining the automated way, the fully automated way, what exactly is doing. Okay, so when it runs through, it's looking for an M. So coming out of, so this is Asia here in the blue box. So let me run it a little bit quicker. Oop, maybe too quick. So coming out of Asia, it's looking for an M condition, and then once it sees that M condition, it'll enter the trade. So let me just slow it down here. See, so the trade has been entered here, and then I'll just let it run so you can see. This one might hit stop loss or it might hit take profit. I'm not sure. So I'll just let it run. Okay, let me see if I can speed it up a bit here. Okay, so basically what happened was the trailing stopped move down. And then it hit the trail stop, but it hit it in profit, so you can already see that that resulted in a profit increase. Okay. All right, so let's run it again. Okay, so now it's back to the peak. Let's see what it's gonna do next, and then it'll set up another trading condition. Okay, so now it looks like it dropped. So it was looking for an M pattern up here, but because it looks like it didn't happen, it didn't take any trade there. Okay. So typically it's taken type 1 M patterns or W patterns. So I see it's gone up here. So let's, ooh, okay. So because there's also a timer in terms of in New York, if it doesn't see the condition before a particular time, like I explained in the settings video, and if you haven't watched the settings video, check out the settings video on my channel so you understand what I mean, okay? But anyway, so there was no trade condition there. Run it some more. No trade condition there, or it happened too late, so it didn't take the trade. Because yeah, I programmed it not to go into Asia, to take the trade. So if it doesn't see the trade condition, then it's not gonna take the trade. Okay. Okay, so why don't I fast forward to a trade condition? Okay, let me just let it run here. So basically it's saying that a new peak has been detected here to the upside. And that's what those red and green lines are. Okay, so it just took a trade. So it's saying that there's a reversal here to the downside, and then it caught this M. So you see the M here based off a confirmed M entry, and then the stop loss, it puts it X pips above the high of this structure. So it puts it out of the reach of the dealer's hands. So let me click play on it. Oh, there we go. Just hit TP. So it hit take profit there. Okay. So yeah, I mean, so this is the PF auto, right? It's taking it just based on it identifying the peaks and then trading, away from the peak. Let me see if I can find another example for you guys. Yeah, this EA is waiting for the perfect opportunity. So there we go. Looks like it entered the trade here based off that M pattern. It set the stop loss above the structure, right? So it automatically places the stop loss, so you don't have to even, determine that. You just say, specify how many pips above the structure that you want the stop loss, and it'll automatically do it. And you can even specify like your trade dollar amount, and it will calculate the lot size for you based on that stop loss automatically. So you don't even have to try to figure out, what the lot size is. Just put the dollar amount, put how many pips above the structure, and it will calculate the lot size for you. So it's pretty cool, right? Because you don't have to literally, you don't have to wake up, wake up for London, anymore. You can just literally, set the EA to do that for you. Even with the semi-manual options, you can specify it and then it'll take those trades for you. So look at this. So with the automated option here, it took this trade and then boom, hit TP, hit take profit there. So let me show you the semi-automated way here. So let me stop this run. Okay, so it's to shift it, oh, let me pause for a second. So to shift it to semi-automated, which for me, like honestly, if you are familiar with the beat the market maker method and you understand how to identify the trend, which direction the trend is going, this is the best way, in my opinion, to use this EA. Okay. Um, it's just basically selecting what direction that the trend is going in and trading in that direction, right? So, for example, this was a downtrend. I would set it to PF high and it will be looking for M's coming out of London and New York. If it was an uptrend, I would hit PF low and it would be looking for W's coming out of London and New York. Right now, if I'm not sure what trend or the direction it is, I'm just gonna click PF none so that it doesn't take any trades. See, PF none, it's not gonna take any trades. Then I can, try to see if I can ascertain what direction it is, and then I will specify what it should be taken, whether M's or W's. And this is the best way to do it, right? It's always better to do it this way than fully automated. But if you choose to just do fully automated, it is tuned for your USD, so you can always use the set file for that. But again, if you're one of the 10 people that buy this EA first, I will provide that your USD set file with the package, as well as the template for this. So this template that you see here. All right, so I'll do PF none for now until I identify. I'm waiting for a reversal because it's been running down for quite a bit. Okay, see, looks like it just ran up. So let me hit PF low. So as soon as I even see this in Asia, I come to my terminal, I see this in Asia, I'm hitting PF low, and I'm saying take W's overnight in London and New York. So I don't even have to wake up at London. I don't have to. I used to wake up at 4 a.m., 3 a.m. I used to wake up at 3 a.m., right, just to catch the London trades. But you don't have to with this EA. You just set it. You set it and it'll take it. Okay. So I specify PF low. So let me run it a little bit slower here. So it looks like it's, burst and it's trying to form the first leg of the W. So let's see. There you go. Boom. See? It entered the trade right here. It set the stop loss below the structure, away from the dealer's greedy hands. So let's let it run. There you go. Like you literally wake up in the morning and you have caught this trade, without waking up early for London. Oh my goodness. I enjoy my sleep, so this is a definitely like a sleep saver. All right, so I'll just let that run. And it's got the trail and the break evens in place. So the break even is got the trail in stops in place as well, just to make sure that you still capture profits if the trade does decide to go against you, and boom. And it's got, I don't know if you saw what just happened there, but it's actually got move TP, which is a pretty cool feature. Here, I'll show you that again. Here, let me just, was it Feb 5th? So let me stop that, and I'll show you what I mean by move TP. So let me start up that again here. Okay, let's speed it up a little bit. Oh, PF none for now. I don't want it to take any trade until I can determine what trend it is. Once I determine the trend, then I will specify, okay, I see it has moved away from peak. Select PF low and let it do its thing. So let me slow it down. Okay, boom, it's entered that trade. Okay, so now let me slow it down so you can see what move TP does. Oh, actually, I think it goes into Asia for this before it hits TP. So let me wait for that. Because move TP is really cool. It helps you to actually, it allows you to take more profits out of the trade because it moves the take profit um, slightly higher in the case of a buy, so that you get more pips out of it. Okay, so let me play it slow so you can see it happening. So this is the break-even one. It moved it to X pips in profit when the trade is X pips high, right? And this video is starting to get long, so I'll cut it short after this trade. But yeah, subscribe to my channel and I'll be posting more videos. See, I don't know if you see what happened. See, what happened was the take profit was there, and it slid the take profit up because it was about to hit the take profit, and then it moved the trailing stop up, right? So then it squeezes the candles in this in this take profit stop loss or trail profit trail stop. Can't speak today, so that you can maximize the profit that you're taking off the top, right? So let's let it go. See, boom. It just slid it up a little bit more. It slid up, it slid up the take profit even higher. It was right here. It slid up the take profit higher, and then once this goes higher, it'll move up the trail stop as well. So watch this. Or it might hit it. Yep. If it comes back down, it hits the trail stop, then it takes you out of the trade. So yeah, this is pretty much the EA in action. So ping me on Telegram if you are interested in getting this EA, and if you are one of the first 10 people that contact me, I'll provide the Euro USD automated set file as well, and I'll show you how to load that into your terminal, so that if you want a fully automated solution, then you can just use that. And even like in the future, once I tweak the other pairs as well, I will also provide those set files for free. Okay, so as I tweak the next one, I plan to tweak will be like pound USD. Once I tweak that and fine tune it to the fully automated solution, I'll provide that one as well for free. But yeah, in the meantime, you can use the Euro USD fully automated, or you can also just use the semi-automated PF low and PF high options to trade. And honestly, it's a good entry point. It's a good capturing of M's and W's. It's a good exit point as well to exit in profit, and it allows you to take back your sleep. So yeah, reach out to me, and God bless. Take care, everyone. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell as well so you get notified. Bye.